Hi, this is Kristie, KristieMathewsOnline.com, KristieJMathews.com. And today's video is one thing you don't know about me, and I wanted to share that. Did you know that when I was a little girl, I wanted to be a forest ranger? I love the outdoors, and I didn't realize until I got older just how much that early desire in my life has impacted me in such a way. You'll get to know me over time that I love being outdoors. I love camping. I love the forest. I love the forest more than some people love the ocean. I love the forest. I love being among the trees. I love the smell of the forest, the pine trees. I love hearing running water, rivers and streams. I love being on lakes where you can hear just the little whoosh of the water hitting back and forth against the shoreline. And as I have reflected back in my life, I have done a lot of things that are related to that type of living. So although I never became a forest ranger, I still do so many things that are outdoor related that I don't really need to be a forest ranger to enjoy all of those things. So I hope that telling you a little bit about myself will encourage you to tell me a little bit about you. So feel free to share, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.